si ma'am. So itong surprise na to ma'am na binigay po sa inyo, meron din po silang pinadalang message or letter po. Babasahin na lang po namin para sa inyo. Ayan, so medyo mahaba-haba po yung message natin. This message is from Ian, Asel, Bells, and Roma. Greetings from your 4 lovely daughters from Doha, Qatar. You're the most beautiful, graceful, and wonderful women in the world. Tatay Bobot was blessed to have met you. And us, your children, all we know we owe you everything. Salamat sa unconditional love and care sa amin at sa mga apo niyo. A day does not go by that we don't appreciate everything you have done for us. Still working on that will, right? Happy birthday, nanay naming mahal. Just like you are not supposed not to have a favorite child. We are not supposed to have a favorite parent, but just between you and us. Let's just say tatay gets a lower birthday budget every year. Pero joke lang yon. Equal naman yung pagmamahal namin sa inyo. Iskugya naman. And pray lagi namin na hindi ka na po laging magkakasakit. Inararumi kayong maong. Heartfelt wishes from bottom of our heart, the most beautiful women in the entire universe. You're the true meaning of home for us. Thank you for raising us wonderfully. May good wishes to you on this special day of yours, and enjoy your special day. We love you so much and miss you so much. Once again, this message is from Bian, Asel, Bells, and Roma. And meron pa pong ibang nag-message din po sa inyo, ma'am. And let my partner read this for you po.
This message naman po is galing kay Ate PJ po. Nanay, you're an extremely wonderful person in my life. On this day, I pray that God will bless you abundantly. For all the important things you have given up just to put joy and happiness into my heart. I hope you enjoy your every moment of your life. Happy birthday and good health always. I miss you and I love you. From Ate PJ po. Meron pa po ma'am, bali, babasahin na naman po ulit ni partner.
Ayan, so ganda naman ng mga message nila. So itong third message naman po is from Mr. Federico. Yung message po nila, happy birthday, nanay. It is an honor to be part of your family. I hope you have a beautiful day full of all the things you love. Yes, God bless you and take good care always. Once again, this message is from Mr. Federico.
And last but not the least po, this message is from Nico and Nicolas. Happy birthday to you, Nanay. You're the kindest soul I've ever had. The pleasure of meeting. Salamat po sa pagmamahal sa amin at pag-aalaga kay Kulas. I hope your birthday is filled with your favorite things and lots of love. Love, Nico and Kulas. Ayan ma'am, meron po ba kayong gustong sabihin sa mga nag-message po sa inyo, ma'am?
Maraming salamat sa kanilang lahat. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala ang ibibigay nila sa aking birthday.
Ayan. So, palakpakan naman po ulit natin si Ma'am Brenda Di Guzman. And once again, happy 51st birthday po sa inyo, ma'am. And let me request to everyone na kantahan po natin si Ma'am Brenda ng happy birthday po. Sabay-sabay po tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday
po, sabay-sabay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, may special cake pa po tayo. And before we blow the candle, make a wish na lang po muna. Ayan, palakpakan naman po ulit natin si Ma'am Brenda de Guzman. And once again, happy 51st birthday po sa inyo, Ma'am. And picture na lang po tayo dito sa gitna.